All right, kids, here's the last choose your own adventure in level 5 of lesson 5, where we're generating random numbers. Random donuts. This could be good. Back of the Joyful Pastries food truck. There is a theater class. There is. So it's the theater runner class. We've got a donut scene object that is called donut scene, and it's a new donut scene that takes no param. We're passing nothing to it. So my guess is maybe our method's not going to be static, but it might be. But they've done a lot of the work for us. So let's see what's going on over here in the donut scene, shall we? So this public class donut scene extends the scene, and there is my get random donuts. So let's see what we have to do. I wonder if we have to do the same stuff. Number of donuts greater than 12. I'm eligible for a discount. Ooh. So in the donut scene, write a get random donuts method to get a random number of donuts for a customer between 1 and 24. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to define it to a variable. I'm going to start with math.random. Okay, you've heard this now 4 times if you've watched all these videos. Math.random returns a random number between 0 and 1, but not including 1. Not a random number, a random double. So these are all decimal numbers. Could be 0, will never be 1, but could get close to 1, can be 0. So that's what we're going to do. Now, we want a random number between 1 and 24. And the difference between 1 and 24 is 23. So I'm going to multiply this random number, this math.random, by 23. So this is now going to return a random double between 0 and 23, but not including 23. If I cast this as an int, this will now return a random integer between 0 and 22, but not 23. I feel like I should add 2 to this, but then I would never get a number 1. So I'm just going to add 1 to this right now, and then we'll see what happens. So if the number is greater than 12, we're eligible for a discount. Else, sorry, there's no discount. And then in the scene, as long as my number of donuts is greater than 0, looks like I'm going to put a donut image somewhere in a random place. And then I'm going to pause, and then I'm going to draw my message. My message is what came out up here. That's my message. All right, cool. Let's go back here into the theater runner. And I need to call the get random donuts method, and then pass the value returned to a call to the get discount method. And then call the draw results method with the values returned from the get random donuts. And wait a minute. So that takes the get discount is the number of donuts. And that's the get random donuts method, which is what I just did. And then this takes number of donuts and a message. Oh, and the message comes from here. Got it. So let's give this a try. So I'm going to go donut scene dot get random donuts. And I should probably define that as an int. I will call it my donuts equals get random donuts. And then I need to get the discount. So I'm going to go, I wonder if that's going to, is the discount a double? No, the discount is a string. So I will call this string my discount equals donut seen get discount, but I'll pass it my donuts. And then I am going to call the draw results. So I will go donut seen dot draw results. I'm going to pass it my donuts, and I'm going to pass it my discount. All right, a lot of things could have gone wrong there because I had to do a lot of spelling words. Let's see what it is, man. Yeah, figured. Let's see what it says. My donuts. Spelled that wrong. Let's see what happens now. It's running. It's running. Sorry, no discount. Oh, that's cool. So it made a donut for the number of whatever the random number was. So let's see what happens here. Try it one more time. See what happens. 2 donuts. It is a random number from 1 to 24, so it's not like, oh, look at all those donuts. That's the largest it could have been. So it would never get to 24. So let's run our test to make sure our test is okay. And there you go. It's working. So that is it for lesson 5, level 5. I'll do level 6 next.